a breakthrough discovery in the field of physics and chemistry, and that is discovery of attosecond. So far we have been talking about seconds, milliseconds, their importance in life, asking a Olympic person about the importance of second when they are losing onto a match. But now we are talking about the billionth of a billionth second, and this is what is called as quintillion second or attosecond. So if we look onto microsecond, it is 1 raised to power minus 6 of a second, and if we talk about attosecond, it is 10 raised to power minus 18th of a second. So from 10 raised to power minus 6, which is a microsecond, to 10 raised to power 18, which is an attosecond, and that is how we are focusing on more precision. So how this actually works? So there are femtosecond laser pulses which are infrared. Now through this there is gas of atoms, which is xenon, krypton and methane, which goes through, and through the high harmonic generation, that is the shaking of the electrons, new light with overtones is emitted, and then attosecond laser pulses detect those through a pump probe experiment. And this is a real discovery, because it would bring in breakthrough changes in understanding how the DNA RNA dissipate the UV energy to prevent any photo damage, talking about the morphing or at the molecular level, focusing on the energy shift on a molecular level, and making and breaking of of chemical bonds. So not only this, in the field of physics, understanding the dark matter, focusing on quantum concepts, the quantum vacuum, which is the lowest energy state in space, would become easy. So a very important discovery, highly important for your upcoming UPSC prelims examination. We will be covering more interesting topics on science and technology, defense, environment and other sections. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.